This is Dallas Motorworks. So we have a 2019 Toyota Tundra Crewmax TRD Pro. Real nice shape, clean Carfax, clean title. Yeah, let's do a little, quick walk around on this truck. Just kind of show you the little imperfections on it. But overall, it's a real nice, clean truck. It's a one owner. Yeah, let's just start with the outside. Wheels and tires. Pretty good, pretty nice tread on here. Let's see, it's a Texas truck, so obviously there's no rust or anything like that. Let's walk around the front of the truck here. Let's see here. I believe the previous owner did do a little bit of touch up right here. I think there was a little scratch right there. Yeah, it's barely visible though, at all. Let's see here, kind of walk around. No issues here. Let me just go inside here. Let's see, look at that. No issues around here. Back here. All right, so let's see here. So there is a touch-up dent right here that was done. I think that is the only major flaw with the truck. It's a little dent right there. Let's see here. I think there was a tiny one right there also. But yeah, it doesn't affect any functionality, nothing like that. Yeah, so. Then I believe we have a little scratch right here. Again, it's not really visible. It's just when you come super close to it. Let's see that little scratch right there. Okay. Yeah, those are the, real imperfections on the truck. Don't really see anything else on here. Let's see, I think it's pretty clean interior. Where's the keys? It's got the remote key entry also. It's got the sunroof. Extremely clean for a higher mileage truck. It's got 145,474 on it. Interior's in real nice shape. No real issues there. Yeah. We'll pop open the